So guys, this is a live crude oil strategy demonstration of evening session opening only. So as you can see, the crude oil just opened. Now the time is exactly 5 o'clock and the open is 3806. So guys, this is a live crude oil strategy demonstration of evening session opening only. So as you can see, the crude oil just opened. Now the time is exactly 5 o'clock and the open is 3806 and the previous close is 3823. So the crude oil opened below the answer, so now we will be selling it. So what we'll do is I'll just keep 1 minute candle and just wait for a 1 minute candle to complete, and I'll be selling the low of this candle. Okay, so actually now the trend is the sell. Okay, so it opened below it, it gapped down. So this candle low is 3705 as of now. So I'll be keeping 2 points buffer and I'll be selling it at 3703. Okay, so the low of this candle is 3705, keeping 2 points before. I'll be selling at 3703 and my target will be 10 points, and let's see how this crude oil trade goes on. So this will be the live demonstration, and if you guys don't know the strategy link will be given in the description below of this video, so you guys can watch the strategy. Okay, so this is very simple strategy. If the crude oil is opening above the previous close in evening session opening only, then it's a buy. If it's opening below the previous close, it's a sell. Okay, so today as you can see, the yesterday's close was 3823. Now it opened at 3806, which is below, so we'll be selling it. Okay, so as the crude oil gap down a lot, so we'll be keeping this first candle low and selling it below that. Okay, so 3705 is a low, and as I said, 2 points buffer. 3703 is a sell point where we will sell, and then we'll be keeping 10 points buffer. So this is a line where our sell order will get triggered, and we'll be selling it at 10 points target. Okay, so this is the target line hopefully. So yes, so we'll just wait for it and see what will happen. Also guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational video, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having loss or need to recover the loss and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSA and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. So all the details are in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof and the feedback messages here. Okay, so before I show you the earning proof and feedback messages, I want to tell you what are the advantages and benefits that you will be getting once you join my course. Okay, so once you join my course, you will be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you my 95% accuracy unique and sequence strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be guiding you in the live market, and also I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 rupees, and also I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, in my blogspot you can check out the latest and recent earning proof with the ledgers, so you can go through all of these things one by one. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make profit constantly like this, you can WhatsApp me on the number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and to take the course. Okay, so the link is in the description below to see all the ledger proof. So guys, as you can see, our sell has been now triggered at 3703, and now we are just waiting for 10 points target. Okay, so let's wait for the trade. So let's see what's gonna happen. So our sell is triggered at 3703 now, and we are waiting for it to go down. So our target will be 3693. So now let's wait for the target. So as you can see, our 3703 has been met here. So our sell order has been triggered. Yes, 3702. So guys, as you can see, our target has been now met, and the low made as of now is like 3682. Okay, and our target was the 10 points, that is 3693. So it met the 10 points target, and now it has still come down. Okay, so actually I had a little bit problem in the server, I mean in the internet, so that's why I couldn't record that video. So now as you can see, as we shorted here at 3703, and the stock fell all the way down till 3682 by meeting our targets. Okay, so if you guys have not yet watched the video of this strategy, so the description below to know the strategy. Okay, so guys, as you can see now, the crude oil is trading at 3654. It has fallen 50 plus points. As I said you in the evening itself that we will be selling at 3703, and within 1.5 hours, now the stock is, I mean the crude oil has fell till 3650 as of now. Okay, so our strategy has been worked today very greatly. As you can see, it fell all the way down. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day, and also go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategy tricks, and a lot of things in my channel. And also every day I upload how much profit I made on what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. And if you guys are interested to make profit constantly like this, you can join my course. In my course I'll be teaching you the strategy like this, which works 95% accurately and which will help you make money constantly. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.